Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are giving you a very quick update on HCMC. This is a stock that we have been covering on this channel for the past few months. We're giving you all the updates, and just a couple of days ago we spoke about the hype around May the 3rd, what was supposed to be happening on May the 3rd, and I told you the bull case, the bear case, and my prediction for it. We're going to go into exactly what happened, because if you're a shareholder, I'm sure you already know, but I'm going to go into what happened and why I think it happened and what we can expect going forward as well. If you appreciate all this, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. We have a Discord with a HCMC channel and a Patreon where I'll give you access to my buys and sells. But nevertheless, very quickly, let's get into this. HCMC. Well, guys, what I thought would happen did happen, okay? We didn't have a lot. We actually saw a pump at the start of the day and we had a sell-off towards the end. And basically we ended the day pretty much on a break even or ever so slightly up. But pretty much nothing happened overall unless you got in on that initial pump. So we opened the day at around about 24, and that's 0.0024. And we saw this one go up to 30. Okay, so this actually went up about 20% at the start of the day. And that was our highs. Pretty much from then on, we was on a falling dip ever since. Some little ups and downs here and there, but it was pretty much down. We closed the day at 24, which is basically down 20% on the initial pump. So like I say, break even pretty much on the day. That's what happened, which is of course not what people expected. People were saying this could go to 20 cents. That's what some of these articles are saying. We never thought that. I thought really you're looking at a 1 cent maximum. But yeah, it did not get to that at all. My personal opinion here was I'm not going to put the $100 in. I did not invest into HCMC. I'm happy with my position. I already have a position built out in this company that I'm happy with. It's enough risk for me to be able to have a bit of excitement, a bit of risk, a bit of speculation. You know, could make me rich potentially. But as no, it doesn't matter to me, okay? If this one does ever fall down, or we never recover, or the lawsuit doesn't go through, it doesn't matter to me, okay? I'm sitting happily on the shares I have in this one and still investing away at my long-term investments, dollar cost averaging in here and there. Of course, if I do see a buying opportunity in HCMC, I may consider adding to it. But right now, pretty happy with my position. We are sitting on some nice gains already in this company. However, that's just my stance on this one. Of course, if you want to build your position, you could well do that, you know. We're early days. The lawsuit is very much just getting started, okay? People think we're coming to an end maybe. We're not. We're just getting started, and we should be hearing the judge's ruling on that very, very soon. Hopefully this week, which could be another catalyst here for HCMC, and that will probably see the share price go up if the motion does get dismissed, and of course vice versa. If it doesn't, if they rule out this entire case and it's all closed, we're pretty much going to see this go rock bottom, HCMC. That's just my personal opinion. So please be aware of that. Just giving you the risks here if you are an investor in HCMC. But nevertheless, yeah, we did see a very, very expected day, I would like to say, okay, from many parts. People were trying to get this one up on Reddit. You can see the Reddit community was going mad, and they are talking a lot about this today as well. Everybody's talking about HCMC, but we are currently on a very, very big red day today. The market's open, but at the time of recording, we're actually down now about 16%. Now, that is normally what happens after a pump and a dump day. People don't like pump and dump stocks because it basically puts a bad reputation on the company, okay? If you're in this one for the long term and you're looking to hold this one for the long term, this has had a pump of 20% and then immediately a dump of 20%. People don't like that, okay? And over the time, people will start to sell out their shares and stuff. So I'm not surprised we see a red day following this. I think it will kind of fluctuate again, and we'll find a resistance. At the time of recording this, like I say, the market's open, so it might look slightly different, but we're at about 19, 0.0019. Which is actually down over 20% again today. So that's now 40% from those highs of the morning pump yesterday. Pretty volatile. We know this stock is volatile, okay? It has quite a low market cap still, 740 million. But if we look back here to, you know, the start of the week or last Wednesday, for example, we was hovering around the 17, 18 mark. It seems to have kind of going to be going back to that level anytime now, okay? If it hangs around that, I don't mind it. I don't mind it at these prices. Like I said, we have all the catalysts to come on this one. The lawsuit is coming up, which was our major catalyst. This is just a lot of hype around HCMC. If anything, it's now got more investors' eyes on this one. It's still one of the most popular stocks out there in terms of volume and viewed. One of the most viewed stocks out there, HCMC. But yeah, we look forward to the judge's response from the motion to dismiss. But I just wanted to give you a little update on this, okay? If you haven't followed it, what exactly happened with HCMC? Basically, what happened was a pump and a dump back down to where it leveled off at the start of the day. And then we're following that up today with a big red day. And I think for the rest of the week, we may well see this start to flatline out until we get a response now from the judge. Remember, we was hovering around that 10-11 mark for quite a long time. The stock was barcoding up and down every single day, and I think we may get back to that until we hear some more news around this one. But yeah, remember, if you're holding this one, it's speculative, it is risky, it could make you a millionaire, it could lose your money. That's up to you to invest. Personally, like I said, I'm holding my shares. I have around about 1 million shares in HCMC. Comfortable with that, not planning to add anytime soon. Also, we have the rights offering. Remember, the rights offering where you can get discounted shares. Something else we're waiting for, okay, that could take between 30 to 90 days. We're already in the process of that. That was a couple of weeks ago now. So yeah, things are looking a bit interesting for this company. They're also boosting their promotion, Instagram, social media, etc. The company, aside from the lawsuit, is now focusing on boosting this company and improving their website, etc. All this is probably going to come as well, okay? This company has exciting things to come, and I enjoy following this one. We'll keep giving you updates on HCMC. Let me know your thoughts. Did you buy in on May the 3rd? Did you make a profit? Did you lose? Or did you just watch from the sidelines like I personally did? Let me know down in the comments, and as always, if you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.